Want to add PDFs to your GoDaddy website? It's easy. First, log into your GoDaddy website builder. Go to Site Content, then File Manager. Upload your PDF up to 100 MB. Now to embed it, you can create a link on text or a button that leads directly to the PDF file, making it downloadable for your visitors. Make sure your PDFs are optimized for web use to keep your site loading quickly. Remember to add descriptive text to improve accessibility. This simple process lets you share important documents with your audience effectively. For more advanced embedding options, consider using third-party services like Google Drive, especially for larger files. While GoDaddy doesn't natively support inline PDF viewers, you can use the HTML element to embed code from these services. Also, optimize your PDFs before uploading by compressing them and ensuring they are mobile-friendly. Always check how the embedded PDF looks on different devices to ensure a seamless user experience. Properly optimized and embedded PDFs can significantly improve user engagement on your site.